Washing a rental car today. Gotta return this thing nice and clean. Ooh, dig. Oh, I see. It's.
Oh my god. Oh, unlimited. Okay.
Here's your wash option. What the heck did I just say? Let's do the second to last.
That's it. Let's do the good.
Yeah, that's good. We also do have the unlimited. Same price, about $2.
It's a rental. We just need to turn it back in.
You said what?
It's a rental. I just need to turn it back in.
I already know that. I got you. Just swipe out. Right here, right here. Other way. Y'all good?
Sweet. Thank you.
Where y'all coming from?
Well, we live in Texas, and so we came up here for vacation. And,
That's what's up. Y'all like this so far?
yeah, it's been great. We were up by Tazewell, and then we're just coming back through here. So unfortunately,
have a good, safe trip back.
thank you so much. Have a good one.
All right, into the wash we go. See that clearance sign? Don't bump your hump. Don't know what equipment we're dealing with here.
Thank you.
Here we go into the wash. Don't turn away. Brush on that side. Brush right there. Let's go. Jets of water. Looks like that's not going to come down.